Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everyone is having a great Tuesday. Well, today is Flosstube Day. It's my 292nd Flosstube and today is August 5th, 2025. Holy cow, already. And for the month of August, we have a different cup, and this is my green cup in my set of 4. So cheers. I have chamomile tea by Celestial Seasonings. I had to think who was by. Yeah, it sounded kind of good today. Hopefully it'll be as nice today as it was yesterday. It was gorgeous. It was 88 degrees, no heavy winds. So it was a perfect day. Yeah. So hopefully we'll have more of those this week. Yeah, because I'm a little over the rain and the clouds, and yeah, it doesn't do much for me. So what happened last week? Oh, got something in my eye. Sorry about that. And yeah, it was kind of slow. We only had 1 review. I did have 2 starts. So yeah, I did a little bit of stitching, but yeah, it just... The cloudy, gloomy weather doesn't make me want to cozy up on the couch and stitch. It just sends me, yeah, down the edge. So hopefully it'll be a better week this week. So what did I start? We got this from, both of these starts were from Diamond Art Decor. I will go there first. And the first one, hopefully you can see this, and I'll try to get the glare off of it. Isn't it beautiful? It's just so colorful, and I like all the oranges. It's almost an autumn bouquet, if you will, because of the oranges and the reds and the darker colors. So yeah, I did not get any more done on that. So yeah, I will try to work some more on it this week, because I do like the way it looks, regardless of what season it thinks it's in. Let me just put that over there. And the second one, oh my goodness, everything's in here backwards. Why do I do this to myself? I am telling you, it only doesn't help. I guess I could get them all out, but yeah. I don't want to take that chance, because some of these have those really good thread cards, you know, that has the DMC number and the actual product numbers on it. So yeah, and others not so much. Second start, moving on. I love this cat. I really do. When I went to go get Chubby, I had been there like a week before with my daughter, and they had this beautiful tuxedo cat. Well, he was gone. Yeah, so here we are. So we started working, I believe, up here in the flowers, and I didn't get much more done with that at all, but I like the size. So the size is good. It's well printed, has lots of beautiful colors, so we'll keep working on it. I don't know, maybe I'll be more in the mood this week than I was last. Then let's see. Oh, of course you're in there backwards. We also worked on butterfly geometry, and I got it from Biggest Craft. I just absolutely love this. Just love it. And we're working right here in this corner. I didn't get any more done on it, but it's coming along. I really like it. I get that blue out of there. Yeah. So we worked on this blue symbol. I thought it was going to be a greenish to a gold color. I don't know. The picture, there it is right there. Does any of that look blue remotely? But you're going to have that wherever there's pink, I mean like solid pink, not these flowers, but the solid pink, it's all going to be that darker color. So it may tone it down a bit. So I guess you just trust the process. Yeah. And this one is also from Diamond Art Decor, but I did not start it this week. As you know, we've been on this for a bit more than that. I do love this. I love all the colors. I like the pastels and the beach. I was going to get it set just so I can show you. I better fold that. So, as you can see, I'm working on the greenhouse. The pink house is almost done except for little parts in these windows. And we started working on the sand down here, so it's not difficult stitching. It really isn't, so yeah, it can use some more attention. And I'm trying to get hold of everybody. The next one is from Fan Cells, and it is my 4 seasons. And we've been working in the summer section. I've got a lot done in that spring section, but just kind of touch. I don't think I've ever even touched on the winter section. So we'll try to get to that this year sometime. But I really like all those sunflowers and that yellow that it brings to that picture. And I'll show you, that is, if I can get it. Haven't started any of this border stuff because it's like hop, skip, hop, skip, hop, skip. So, yeah. So, we're working right, basically, until summer's over, right here on this part. I did get part of the pumpkins done last year. So, yeah, but winter has not even been touched. I don't know when I got this, you know, what month or anything like that. Probably in spring. Does it have a date? It says 5. So, what is that? April? No, that's May. So, I started it in May, so it was a little late for spring, so, but I still worked on it. And I also worked on this one. I pulled it out, and it was from 7 Great, as a matter of fact, and it's my 3 little kittens. So I put some threads, put that back in there before it gets separated because I have a lot going on over here. 3 little kittens. Yeah, I have not looked up where my, I think it's called litter of kittens or something like that. It's all the kittens in the basket. I like that one too, but it's an 11 count. So I am working on the cat. So this is his ear, and then the cat's laying down. I know it's difficult to discern what all that is, but it is the cat on this side, laying there. So, but yeah, they're just so beautiful. And I've gotten some of it done. I wouldn't say a whole crazy amount, but yeah. And last but not least, we worked on the beaded tiger. Let's see if I can pull this out without everybody going left, right, and indifferent. It's got all my little sticky things on it. I was going to open it up so you could see that I had worked on the I guess top of the shoulder. So I've got all that just coming across where it's easy, because this down here is really confettied, and I'm trying to get the background in there, you know, as we go along. So yeah, not a lot happened last week. I'm sorry. I just fall into a funk, and I just don't feel like stitching, and I really want to stitch on my hairpins, but yeah, it's just way too hot for any of that. So we'll try better. I don't know if we'll have any reviews this week. We will have June, August Saturday stitching, and the theme is animals, real or imagined. So yeah, But, and I have no idea if I'll have any reviews. I have no idea where they're at or if anything is coming right away. So we'll see. We will see. All right, guys. Well, thank you for joining me today. I sure do appreciate each and every one of you. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy, and we'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye. Keep stitching.